Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a quick look at the 2019 Atlantis 51. As you can see, she's in silver hull sides, synthetic teak swim platform and cockpit. We have a nice built-in grill right on the swim platform. This whole area opens up and you have dinghy storage underneath, as well as a hydraulic platform. Moving into the cockpit, you'll notice the docking winches on port starboard side. You have a nice large sun pad. Great material with custom covers for this when not in use. You have a really nice marble high-low table here. With the push of a button can drop down. Cockpit TV. Nice wet bar area with sink, fridge, and ice maker. Great lounge seat on the port side. Moving towards the helm area, notice you have joystick control, Volvo Penta IPS 800s. This boat is equipped with a seakeeper. Obviously, cockpit air conditioning here. And you have a retractable sunroof up top. Coming down into the salon area, you'll notice on the starboard side you have a great U-shaped seating area. Large windows. On the bulkhead, you have the nice Samsung Smart TV with Bose surround sound. On the port side, you have a really nice galley, large fridge, Miele appliances, hardwood floors. Going forward to the master stateroom, you got a really nice stateroom. Large windows, letting in a lot of natural light. And then over on the starboard side, you have your in-suite head and shower. Moving aft, we have our second head and shower. We have two staterooms aft with two bunks on the port side and a nice full bed on the starboard side. On the bow of the 51 Atlantis, we have a nice sun pad area. You also have a pivoting top that pops up with some shade, and the synthetic teak walkways on both sides. Thank you for walking through the 51 Atlantis here at MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. I can be reached at 910-256-8100. Thank you.